Hello everybody, Michael from Car Crazy again, and I thought I'd do this short video as well, as it's from Suzuki, and I'll put this on together with the other. Well, this is what's called, well, as you can see, it's a flying machine. It's basically like a drone. It's a drone come helicopter, and yeah, this was at the Japan Mobility Show, and they were showing it off there, and it's actually going to be shown at the 2025 expo in Osaka here in Japan. So where they're actually supposed to have a model that will fly. It's all electric, zero emissions, all electric flying machine. So yeah, it's quite interesting to see. Wasn't too much info on it, unfortunately. They didn't actually have it flying there. It was just sort of, well, floating kind of thing, but wasn't actually a working model in that sense. But yeah, like I say, in 2025 they should have a flying model that they'll be actually demonstrating in Osaka. So I will hopefully go there and have a look at that. It does look interesting. But yeah, it's just basically a load of well, as you can see, like motors running their rotors, and it flies just like it's like a drone really. And from what I understand, it can be remotely flown, or actually, piloted. But so yeah, that would be interesting to see how that all goes. Well, it's not as if they haven't got the technology, is it? Because we've already got drones of all sorts of shapes and sizes now, and that technology is already fairly well perfected. So yeah, I'd imagine this is something that will take off, literally. So yeah, anyway, that was it. Just a very short video just to show you that, and I'll be back again soon. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.